Intro music plays as the video opens to a kitchen scene with all the ingredients for chicken biryani on the counter. Hi there, and welcome to this video on how to cook the best chicken biryani. Biryani is a flavorful, aromatic rice dish that originated in South Asia and has become popular all over the world. Today, we'll show you how to make a delicious chicken biryani that will impress your family and friends. So, let's get started. Cut to a close-up shot of the chicken being washed under running water. The first thing you need to do is prepare the chicken. Take 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces and wash them thoroughly under running water. Then, cut them into bite-sized pieces and set them aside. Cut to a medium shot of the cooking pot on the stove. Next, heat up a large cooking pot on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 sliced onion and fry until it turns golden brown. Cut to a close-up shot of the spices being added to the pot. Now, add 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, and 2 sliced green chilies to the pot. Mix well and fry for a few minutes until the raw smell of the ginger and garlic disappears. Cut to a medium shot of the chicken being added to the pot. Add the chicken pieces to the pot and mix well. Fry for a few minutes until the chicken turns golden brown. Cut to a close-up shot of the spices being added to the pot. Now, add the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and salt to taste. Mix well and fry for a few minutes until the chicken is coated with the spices. Cut to a medium shot of the rice being added to the pot. Next, add 2 cups of basmati rice, previously washed and soaked for 30 minutes, to the pot and mix well. Fry for a few minutes until the rice is coated with the spices. Cut to a medium shot of the water being added to the pot. Now, add 4 cups of water to the pot and mix well. Bring the mixture to a boil. Cut to a close-up shot of the lid being put on the pot. Once the mixture comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and cover the pot with a lid. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice and chicken are cooked through. Cut to a medium shot of the biryani being garnished with coriander and fried onions. Finally, garnish the biryani with chopped coriander leaves and fried onions. Your delicious chicken biryani is now ready to serve. Cut to a close-up shot of the biryani being scooped onto a plate. Serve hot with raita and enjoy your amazing chicken biryani. Closing music plays as the video fades to black.